Welcome to Twitch 101 full walkthrough. When you get to Twitch, you're probably going to land on the home page. When you want to be a creator, come over to your profile. Let's go into, we are on creator mode, so go into your channel and let's check this out. This is where your channel lives, where everybody can come see and hang out with you. When you want to come in and edit your content, come in and go to the creator dashboard. Twitch has made a really good feature in here called the Stream Manager. This is where you can get a lot done when you are filming live videos. The first button over here to pay attention to is the Quick Actions button. Let's click on it and take a look at what it has. So the Quick Actions is going to have your title, it's going to have your go live notification, what category you're in, when you put your business tags in, small business, growth, marketing, what language you want, and the content classification. Now, if you're going to be doing some drugs, gambling, mature rated games, cuss a little on your stream like me, have sexual themes or violent or graphic depictions, make sure you check those so people know what's in there. Let them know if it's a rerun or if it's live. That's important. And then if you have branded content as well, make sure and check that box. And that is the Edit Stream Info button. The next button we're going to check out on the Quick Actions is the Clip That button. Now there's two forms of this. One where you can just take a quick clip, which we'll do right now. That's basically just going to take a clip, say, hey, we took it, you're good to go, keep rolling, quick action clip. But you got to know what your lag time is of your video behind that clip. And you can always go in and listen to the audio if you need. Let's take a look at what that audio would sound like. That's basically just going to take a clip, say, hey, we took it, you're good to go, keep rolling, quick action clip. But you got to know what your lag tech bar. Okay, when you're done with that, click publish, and that clip will go to your Stream Manager dashboard, waiting it later. Cool. Now let's check out the Raid Channel button. I like this feature that Twitch built in, and what it is basically is when you get done streaming, you can take your followers and send them to another stream, like, yo, today, hey buddies, I got a party to go thing. Hey, me and my buddies are coming over, bringing 14 of them. Still haven't had a raid account yet, but we're waiting one. Raid channel, you can come there. Let's find a channel I want to go raid. Who's hanging out? Who's hanging out? What is that? Study sessions. That looks like some tech I can learn something from. But I want to take guys to somebody fun. Let's go. What are these guys? Yeah, so check that out. Just like that, you can come in here and say, hey, let's go hang out with these guys. Let's go live and check out the computer repair shop. Start raid and send your followers there. It's pretty cool. I'm not going to do that right now because I still have some more to film, but awesome feature. Try it out, and if you're going live with a buddy, like, make sure you jump on and do that. I'll try and raid old Resting Nuts, his channel. Okay, let's check out the Stream Together button now. This is a cool feature. I really like this. You can come in, click this, and I did this with Cat Dog last night, but click got it on that, and backstage activity is going to be recorded. And look, it brings you to me. How cool is that? And now, if I want to add my boy AJ there, and this is going to open, know this too, it's going to open your native camera, or at least it did on my computer, the native camera on my computer. Now I have an OBS camera on there, but I'm currently using my iPhone for, right, just a little bit better quality. But this is a good way to go live quick. Look at that marketing budget. But in order to add somebody, you click on invite guests, pick your buddy, send invite. Make sure this box is checked, okay? From there, it'll send them an invite. What it'll do is accept and come hang out with you on your channel. It's a cool feature and a fun way to hang out with people. It's got a very familiar look to it. I don't know if you can see the bottom of that. Let me bring that up so you guys can see the bottom. Okay, cool. The bottom's going to have a lot of the same look and functionality like you'll see on a lot of the business meeting platforms. So turn your camera off, turn it on, go mute, or turn mic off, mute audio, settings, and call. And you can take, it might not be the best quality, but if you're going to do it live and then be able to push, you can, it's worth it. So check into it. And this tutorial will help you get it set up. Okay, that pretty much wraps actions on the stream manager. This is called Blurb, and this is kind of a cool way for users to interact with your stream. They can essentially tip you to make sounds on your stream, and there's some pretty stuff. We're going to jump into Blurb on another section that'll come in on probably the Streamlabs section. But let's go check out some analytics because we got to see what our stream is doing. When's it best? What time? The adventure. Let's check it out. Also, that they have for analytics that you guys need to see. Actually, that'd be on Streamlabs. Yeah, it is. But it's called StreamBee. I'll open it and take a look. But this is one of the analytics platforms that they have in Streamlabs. You're gonna find a lot in this thing. Yes. Use my data. Go ahead. I ain't scared. Alright, that's going to bring it back to my Streamlabs desktop. Views, except for the Twitch. Which has been kind of a funny thing in this. It's like I've been doing video tutorials on everything else is taking off. It's crazy. But let's just go back to diving into the Twitch dashboard because we got to get this one done and then we'll Streamlabs next. But into our community now, roles manager. So this is kind of cool. You can add roles if you have friends. It's kind of like a Discord server where you can have permission. Add a role. Let's see what we got here. All roles, new artist badge. Okay, cool. Add new, no user display. I can't search. I'm gonna have to figure that out because I don't know if I have enough friends or if I'm able to create those roles yet, but I could be doing something wrong as well. It doesn't seem like I have any users to display yet, so this will give you an activity stream of what you got going on. Followers list. S'mores, I still need to know that audio volume. Let's go. Grace, Emily. She does some awesome, incredible artwork. I saw some of her stuff on. And then Resting Dust, my boy. He's my buddy. Come in here and check out his profile. He's not streaming yet. He's probably outside fishing or something, but let's go. Did I close out that entire Twitch window? I did, huh? That's okay. Even live, we can just come right back to her. No problem. Creator dashboard. We're back. Now here's the biggest things, right? How much content can you produce from one live? I have no copyright strikes. But essentially Twitch creating very valuable for small businesses, restaurants, centers, Etsy stores, e-commerce, retail. I mean, if you're a small business, period, going live is worth it, and here's why. So I did an Etsy and education video last night. One, I can just have this whole video, right? You can go to the VOD page. It's going to let you come in here and create highlights. Okay, the volume's off, but markers, like I'm saying, if you're going to be doing individual tutorials or you want to break up your video, come in here and edit it. And then make it real simple to grab your clips. You just drag it in one, drag in the other. Okay, boom, your clip's set there. Exactly right. You need to change the times. Like go, let's do a little more significant so you can see it 6:30. And you can start segment it, play it. Just you can move it as 8:21 or that. Now like let's put it up here 6:04. So now this clip is going to start at 6:04. And at the end, I want to end it right, let's say there, 7:17. Shorten up your clip, real easy way to do it. And then you got to think about the highlighter like what it is, ESPN, your clips. You want to add another one, just come in, add new highlight. User friendly here. Get in, put our marker right there, 11:38, and just suck it in. Boom. Look at us cruising, baby. Let's add a third because we're feeling spicy. I want it to stop. Right there. Suck it in. Okay. Right on. And what's good about this too is when you get done and you have your highlight reel ready to go, click publish. And when we get done, save and next. I'm not going to put a thumbnail in. Well, I guess we should just go through the whole thing, huh? Full walk the dog. Boom. Thumbnail. We'll grab that thumbnail we did from Etsy last night. Etsy and education. Tags. No tags were selected. I'll give you that video URL. Save and next. Cool thing about this is when you get done doing it, you can export straight to YouTube. So we're knocking out lives. We're doing highlights, right? We got all our content so far has been landscape, but here's what we can do there. Well, not only do we have, individual videos, you can create highlights, but we got to get the vertical. That's important to social media. That's important to spreading your brand message. So let's go into clips real quick. We'll come back to collections. Essentially, collections is just, hey, if you're going to be making a tutorial about something, a bunch of videos, make a collection. You can push that collection to YouTube. Life is good. But on clips over here, first thing you got to do, if you have recommended, that's like what people are watching, but come into all. And I made a bunch of micro tutorials for people to follow. Just, hey, some on social media and stuff like that, you can run that split over here to get that double stack view. So like if you have your face, and I've done it on a few other videos, but I keep putting my face in the way of everything. So I've left it off for this live tutorial, but essentially what do we have now? We have a full video, we have highlights, and now we're generating social media out of the clips we made. And the clips are fairly unlimited to, what your stream is. So depending on how many clip-worthy moments you have, go ahead and take them, publish them to social media. And really, if you don't want to publish them all at the same time, but you still want to get it done, the best thing I recommend is taking these clips, download them to your computer, and post them from your website. That's really the way to do it. But if you don't have your handsome mug on the stream, you can always come in, make a full video. That actually looks pretty good. And send it out to social media. I'm not going to do that here, but, well, you need to see the screen. This is the screen that you'll be sent to. Essentially, give it the title, description, public, private, unlisted, and you can share. One thing to do here is change the titles a little bit. Keep them the same. I don't know why that threw a deal last time, but it was like, hey, change up your titles. Once you get your title, your description in there, same for TikTok, make your selections on here. If you want them to comment, duet, or stitch, share it. It'll go to your drafts. You can edit it. Good thing to do though too, if you don't want to have 16 videos posted in the same 45 minutes, just download that clip, go to your website, schedule it to be posted there. It's going to help you with SEO anyway. Okay, and that is the clip editor. So now we have our full videos. We have our highlighted landscape video. So that'll be our YouTube video. We have our vertical videos for all social media platforms. And we're going to have the transcription of this live to use for a blog post. All going live in, 23 minutes. Okay. We took a little look at collections, but this is just like, hey, a playlist of what you put in there. Real handy to share out, or if you want to put this whole thing together, it's nice, it's good. Okay, now let's take a settings. Stream settings. What's in here that you guys need to set? I'm not gonna show you that. Low latency. I want to have near real-time interactions. That's kind of my focus. I don't want to be able to people live. VOD settings, store past broadcast. I would definitely suggest this. And be aware too, when you're using Streamlabs desktop, the nice thing about it is it's going to save a native copy to your computer, so you're not pulling different videos down from the internet or the cloud, losing quality, compression, all that. It's just going to straight to your computer. So when you're using Streamlabs desktop, make sure you click that recording. Good advice though, keep those recordings too, or at least your tutorials, under 45 minutes, full recording time. I say that because with also this video, we're going to take it and go to the podcast editor. That's going to cut out all those blank spaces and give us some more content, but that will be on another tutorial coming up. So we got clip settings, followers only. No, you can make clips on my channel whenever you want. Clips, yeah, we'll keep that on. Yeah, back in the roles that we don't have set up yet because I got 4 friends. But channels, the thresholds, so basically just give you those settings. Hey, what's the minimum number of people I can use to take to a raid? How long have they been on Twitch? Should I deny it? You know, hey, it's got to be somebody I follow, somebody I know. Nothing, you're not just going to be dumping raids on people. Although that'd be kind of fun. Like, why wouldn't it? Yo, dude, here's like 50. All right, let's check out our channel settings. This is good stuff. Username here, make sure you get it right. Put in Jack Dog Sports Tech and Tacos. That is the truth. And the links right here be the same thing, right? You can add links, BizRise.io, YouTube, TikTok, and you know we need to add. I think we can add that Instagram. We'll get that Instagram link. You guys can see that Insta profile, Instagram, but basically it's just going to have you copy your profile, paste it how they've designed it. Very seamless. Sorry, I'm signing into my Instagram. Like, a lot of this is going to function easier than some you're working with right now because it's, I mean, they're seamless. I mean, they're streaming. It's a good stuff. Oh, what do we got here? Go to my profile. This. It's on my profile. It had a Twitch clip in there. Oh, you know, it's supposed to hit. So this is a pro tip from the tutorial. I'm sure you guys all probably know this. Copy C and paste is Command V. Okay, but there's my Instagram. You just post it. Moderation. Auto mod controls want to update. Automatically hold risky messages. Smart. Unwanted. Yes. Okay. Likely. Yeah, fine. Less. No. Don't be making fun of disabled people, fuckers. Say whatever you want, you dick. Oh yeah, you wanna. No. I don't want any of that bullshit. Sex jokes are kind of funny. That's misogyny. I don't know what's gonna get qualified in there. I'm not saying it's okay to do. I'm just saying I don't want it too strong where I don't get anything. So let's do some. Let's see what this turns out. I mean, I haven't had any issues yet on anything. Granted, we'll see if that gets bigger, but on this stuff because see what happens. I mean, if you want to say come at me, bro, I'll get that. Yeah, no. Sex jokes are funny. Take it easy. You know, we'll see what those are. Keep some filtering on. I don't want to close the door all the way. The auto mod just works first, but it's nice having those filters and that safety in there, especially if you're going to be live streaming and want people to jump on with you. Block terms and phrases. So Tom Brady, his name is spelled right, so it recognizes it. Tom Brady is good at football. Add it. We don't want anybody talking about Tom Brady on my live stream. This is Broncos country. Yeah, I get it. All right, we don't know the weeds. We're still Broncos country, baby. Okay, settings. What else do we have to see on the stream? Let's go channel. Profile picture, my accent up. Save that. And video player banner, that's going to be moderation. We went through that. Schedule. This is cool. I need to do better at this. Get the live scheduled up, but that way people can come by and check it out. All right. Come by and hang out for the live. Featured content. This will be obviously featured at the top of your profile. Go ahead and select whatever you need there. You can select or you can choose featured in some of your content stuff. Share. Look at all those options. Twitter, Facebook. Vakantake. I don't even know. Reddit and embed. And think about, think options, right? Like you can take these lives, go clips. So if you want to talk SEO, come see your boy. Settings. Let's see if there's anything super. Circle back one more time. Circle back. That back. Yeah. Feature my clips. Channels you can manage. Anything crazy in here? Yeah, looks good. Okay. Viewer rewards. Okay, so you can put them in your channel. Essentially, looks game cool. It's really like an interactive, initially developed for interactive gaming. A ton of people are on there gaming, but more and more businesses, hobbies, cooking, all that type of stuff. Shoot, I saw a landscaping company on there today. That was great. Like, guy was just cutting the grass and I'm watching it. So you never know. Rewards, what do we got here? Limited time offers that viewers can unlock when they can enable or disable. So we got Wuthering Wave, support a streamer launch campaign. Twitch viewers will receive Walking World. Okay. So you can get a bundle for purchasing 2 subscriptions of other people. Looks like, what is this? What is the drops inventory? But this was the stream together that I did with AJ. Super easy. You just say, jump on. It's a cool place. Like, look, there's a ton of games, right? And you're going to see that when you come here. But the reason it's taken off is you can use it fun, but businesses need to wake up and see this stuff. I do not have that installed, but it is Streamlabs. And you got to think about Streamlabs is essentially the connection between my live stream and Twitch. So it just kind of sends it there. And it is almost like a twin brother of Twitch. They kind of work that you can push out everywhere with little differences. It's cool though. But yeah, extensions. This one I was talking about, farting, viewer attack. Let's try it. So you can throw maters at me. Okay, so you have to do it when you're not live. Configure them. But it's pretty cool because that's a way for people to interact with your stream, right? They can throw shit at you. This makes fart noises, which I think is fantastic. Latest followers, avatars. We might have to put your Instagram feed up there. Quiz. Chess. Wow. We're going to have to dive into some more widgets and extensions so you guys can see all these. Look at how many cool things there are. Schedule, countdown. Schedule from videos. What else we got here? Extensions on the go. Sound alerts. Instagram, sound alerts, maps. Like it's just, it's a fully interactive platform, right? And it's meant for you to customize it how you want. Also has a camp in here that if you get, if you don't run into something you see, like establish your brand. This is kind of step by step, doing pretty good here. And it's a good resource to have. It definitely is. There's some points where you're going to be like, well, where is that button? And why I'm making this one. There have been quite a few tutorials where I'd come across, I'm like, oh, well, I got to go look for this YouTube tutorial. I go look. Wanted to make these so you guys can really just follow along step by step and run them all the way to set up your stream. So let's just check out my profile one more time. We're running about 36 minutes on the recording. We want to cap it. So that pretty much wraps up the initial creator dashboard for Twitch. We'll jump into some alerts, analytics, but the next video, what we're going to do, since you kind of have an idea of Twitch, and how it works here, be like, well, how do I start going live? You haven't showed me that yet. And it's like, all right, well, that's what we need Streamlabs for. So we'll jump into Streamlabs next. I'm going to stop this recording of the Twitch Stream Manager Creator Dashboard, and we'll jump into Streamlabs next. But those are all the tools that are available right now for Twitch TV, and it gets way more interactive. So jump on, enjoy it. Again, if you're a small business, restaurant, bar, creator, individual, coach, fitness instructor, yoga instructor, if you're a local computer repair shop, if you're a local commercial repair mechanic like ProTech or Iron Forge in Castle Rock, go see those guys. They would benefit greatly from going live. So that's the kind of cool stuff you can do. Enough of me talking. It was great hanging out, and stay tuned for the next one. What I'm going to do here is we'll go into Streamlabs, and then I'll show you where we can take all this content. And then I'm going to start pushing these out there. Those tutorials, they will be available for purchase on Gumroad, and then they'll also be all available on my web app, BizRise.io. Check it out.